What's up guys, it's your boy, Mad Mike. I know it's been 2 weeks since I've given you guys an update on the Pontiac Fiero Ferrari kit car, but today I'm gonna do a walk around and I need your help to answer a couple of questions that I have regarding some body work. Got a little sidetracked with the four-wheeler that you might see in the background there. That took priority. I had to get it running and go and have some fun. But now we're diving back into working on the Ferrari kit car, so let's get into it. So today's video isn't gonna be that exciting. I'm basically gonna ask you guys a couple of questions and go over some body work related stuff that is remaining on the Ferrari kit car. Mainly the back bumper. I got a huge chunk of the back bumper missing and I was gonna go ahead and fiberglass it back into place, but I'm kind of tempted to do a rear diffuser. So what do you guys think? So as you can see, the back end of the car, and down low I'm missing that chunk that's on the ground there, and in order to fiberglass that back in, I'd have to do quite a bit of body work up in here on both sides, a lot of trimming, and it would look cool, but at the same time I got some template material that I picked up, just some 1/4 inch Bristol board that I was originally going to go ahead and make a rear diffuser. So I'm tempted to either go original and fiberglass that piece back in, or take the time and show you guys how to make a DIY rear diffuser. So yeah, that's the question of the day. Should I make a rear diffuser for the car, or should I leave it original and fiberglass in the missing piece? Let me know what you guys think. I do have the template material, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and sketch out kind of what I have in mind for the rear end of the car. I think it'll look pretty cool. It's gonna take away from the originality of the car, but at the same time, if I were to fiberglass that rear piece in, it does hang down really low, so if I hit a speed bump or whatever, it's just gonna get scratched and potentially break off again. Personally, I think I wanna go ahead and make the rear diffuser. I'm gonna go ahead and sketch out the idea that's in my head right now. That way I can kind of show you guys what I'm thinking. And yeah, I'm 99% sure that I wanna make a rear diffuser, but I'll let you guys decide. Should I fiberglass in the old bumper, or should I make a diffuser? So I just went ahead and sketched up a couple of measurements for my template material that I have over there, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay down some quick designs. I don't want anything too crazy, but I definitely want something that's a little bit aggressive, and then if I go ahead and make the rear diffuser, I might go ahead and make a chassis mount wing at the same time. So definitely let me know if you guys want to see a rear diffuser, and if you also want to see me do a custom chassis mount wing. So if you see here, what I'm thinking is cutting the body line right down here, right across here. On this side as well, I'll kind of do a notch like this, down this way. Then I'll have the fins come down on either side of the exhaust, and then it'll curl up and underneath like a belly pan. So that way, the rear diffuser would actually be fairly functional as well, and it would look good. Because I really don't feel like spending the time doing all the body work to this piece here, because you can see how once I do fiberglass it back in, it is to the ground. There's like 2 inches, if that. And if I do the diffuser, I'll have a lot more room in between here. I just did a rough sketch of the back end of the car to give you guys an idea of what I was thinking. So what I was thinking with the rear diffuser is where it's cracked right here, I was gonna go ahead and cut that down like that on both sides, and then on either side of the exhaust I'll add, you know, 1/4 inch steel plate, 3/16, something solid. I'll weld it all up. I'll do all my templates out of the Bristol board material, and then I'll probably go ahead and cut it all by hand, or if I have all the patterns I could AutoCAD it, have a laser cut, but I'll probably just cut it all by hand. I'm pretty handy with a grinder. So I'll probably have like fins like that, maybe another fin beside it to make it aesthetically look good. You know, this is just an idea, guys. And then across here, I'll have a solid plate, and down in the middle here, this is where it'll curl down and under. So picture this, you know, kind of curling down and under like that. And then these fins will stick down this way here, diffusing the air obviously, and the exhaust will come out through the center there and there. So that's kind of what I was thinking, you know. This is super rough, but that gives you an idea of what I'm kind of going for here. Yep, so that way there I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 diffusers, and then in this section here it'll curl underneath the engine of the car, kind of like a belly pan type thing. But I think aesthetically it'll look really good if I finish it all black like this, like a flat black, because I do have to go ahead and paint all the grills and get those sandblasted, so I might as well fabricate this and paint this and all the grills at the same time. I'm gonna go to the dollar store now, pick up some more material, and start getting creative with some different ideas, and I'll update you guys this week on where I'm at, and I'll see what kind of comments you guys have left, whether I should do it or not, waste any more time on it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.